morning. We are going to see how to open an account into ICT tools called Kahoot. Kahoot, it is a game-based application which can be used in classroom activities, in the preview part or introduction, or in evaluation to assess your learners. And now, to create an account into Kahoot, you simply open your browser and go in the address bar and type www.kahoot.com. You press on enter in order to see how it displays. When it is displayed like this one, you can click on login or sign up, but because it seems like the first time for you to use Kahoot, you can now click here on don't have account, where it shows how you can now sign up. And once you click there, you have to choose account type. First one is teacher. You can open also an account as a student or person or professional, but still now you can now open account type as a teacher. And once you click there, you can continue on school. Then arriving here, you can sign up with Google using your Gmail account, or you can use also Microsoft account. Those two possibilities are usable and are correct. Let me now use the second one of Microsoft account, and once I choose that option, I'm going now to insert an email. Let me choose an email for one person. This is Emmanuel 08@web@ac@w. And once I click on next, I'm going to enter a password. And after, I click on sign in. And now this is the step where I have to accept permission. Then I'm waiting for now Kahoot to be opened successfully. And now I have to wait a bit in order to make a full registration. Now you see it is still loading, and yes, arriving here, Kahoot give me several options. You can use the one which is professional premium, that you have to pay $6 or $3, but for us at this moment you can take basic features where you can create, host your game and play your game in front of your classroom. So that I have to select this option of continue for free. Let me click there and continue for free to see how it appears. I have to wait a bit. Yes, I see now this interface that where it requires me to type my full name. Emmanuel. Country, I think it is Rwanda. And the school name is GS Kabatwa. Then I click on save and continue. With that, I'm creating my account successfully. Then you see my account is now opened successfully. The name of one participant we used is this name, this is Emmanuel, and his school. And now arriving at this interface, you see it is welcoming you so that you can get started. You can click on in my Kahoot folder. There is nothing there, so that I'm going to click on create in order to create my first Kahoot. Then I click here on new Kahoot, create. Then I see this interface. It is where I can now start typing different questions. For example, let me start from the first question. What PRE stand for? What PRE stand for? Then I move here down in different colors to choose those colors that are the place where I can add possible answers. First one, PRE, you can type preview, listen, and elevator. Second, preview, listen, and evaluation. I can stop by here. Those 3 and 4 are optional. I can add as my own, but by typing different possible answers, I have to select the one which is correct. I tick here at this space. You see here at this space, or this also, it is where I can tick for the answer which is correct, because some of those different answers are disrupting. I have to select the one which is correct, and after I can now come here on time limit to increase the timing. If my question is very difficult, I can increase the time and reduce if it is very easy. By putting time limit, you see it is saved automatically into this drive. Kahoot save automatically your question into my draft as default folder. This is the first question. To add another question, I click here on add question. See at this point, it is the place where we can click on to add another question. Once I click there, it gives me possible choice. The one was a quiz, but there is another question type which can be considered as a multiple choice, true or false. Those other ones are not usable in free mode. Let me choose now this true or false. Then I'm going to type a question about true or false. For example, keyboard is considered as output peripheral device. Is it true or false? I can type true or false, or yes or no. I can change those options, but I can now come here to mention the correct answer. I think it is false. Keyboard is in category of input device. Then I tick here on the correct answer, and it is saved automatically here into my Kahoot draft.